Clear Effects on Crypto here again. So just a real quick video update on yesterday's video, and we're looking at the 1 hour Bitcoin USD. And yesterday we were right about here somewhere, and I was saying how it was staying within this trend line or this channel here, and had come back down into the channel, bounced off the support at the bottom here, and had bounced a couple times again here, and so it was sitting right around here somewhere. And so I was saying that it would probably try to stay in the channel for a little bit longer, based on how close we are to this trend line coming up to meet this support line. And I was talking about when these two things cross, if we look at the 4 hour, we can see that they're coming up, and that at some point, I was saying that in July, first week of July, or end of first week of July, beginning of the second week, that it would definitely be meeting, and that something would happen. Well, something has happened a little bit sooner than that, and that is that it did indeed drop below that support line again, and did come down to once again test this long-standing trend line. And so we can see it more clearly. Go back to the 1 hour, see how it came back down and just hit that trend line and bounced right off it, and now it's worked its way back up into the channel again. So if we go back to the day chart, we can see very clearly how I was pointing out these points before, this one, this one, this one, and these ones here, and this one, this one, this one, all really respecting that trend line, going back months, even a couple of years, if you take it all the way back to when it started coming up from the bottom of 3,200. And once again, it has come down and has hit this trend line again. So just an update, be aware. If it breaks this trend line, we're definitely back into bear territory, at least for a little while, or it may bounce off and continue back in this channel here. So just be aware. If you are a day trader, you're probably aware of these things, and you're on the ready to make a trade one way or another. But if you're a long-term trader like myself, or a holder, then it is at an interesting place in time, and you do want to be ready. If it breaks through this, you may want to take some profits off the table, close out some of your holdings in Bitcoin, and let it ride down to wherever it's going to go. Next target would be this other trend line here. But if it bounces off, then we're still good. And it may play out that way for a while yet, but only time will tell. But we are close to something happening here next day or two or a few, so stay on your toes. That's Clear Effects on Crypto, and that was just a really short update. So happy days to you, good trading, and if you like this video, give me a like and take a look at my links down below. Bye for now.